Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill application form for Ontario NextGen Development Program. The application opened on September 1st and it's open till November 30th, 2025. So let's get started. Open a Google tab and search for Row Ontario Athlete application form and hit enter. This first link from Row Ontario Athlete application form, click on this link in order to submit your application. It's a very simple form to fill, so let's get started. Enter your last name. I'm entering all the random details over here. Enter your first name. You can put in not applicable if you don't want anything. Enter your birth date. Let's say 2000. 1st September 2000, date of birth. Pronounce it, let's say Mr. Enter your cell phone. I'm just putting a random number over here. Enter your email address. Now enter your address. I'm just putting random address over here. City, let's say, is Toronto. Province is Ontario and postal code is, let's say, this next section for parent legal guardian is required only if you are under 18 years of age. If you are greater than 18 years of age, you can leave these fields blank. For the sake of this video, I'm not putting the information in these fields. Scroll down to the your rowing experience and then you have to enter these information. How long you have been rowing for, let's say 15 years. Select your form of rowing, whether it is sweep or scull. For the sake of this video, I'm selecting sculling, and then enter all the programs with which you have rowed with. So for the sake of this video, I'm just selecting few random. Do you train for rowing year round? Yes or no? Select the appropriate one. I'm selecting yes for this. You enter your current training volume, how many hours per week. So let's say 20. And then you need to provide your coach name. So for the sake of this video, I'm just providing random details. They might contact your coach as well. Enter the coach email address as well. Now enter your performance data. Height, let's say, is 184. Wingspan, let's say 189. Current 2K ERG is, let's say, 556.0. And finish time at row on championship. If you have not participated in this, just put not applicable. Finish time at OUA championship. If you have not participated, put it NA. For the sake of this video, I'm just putting NA. If you have participated in that, enter the finish times. Are you applying to be a centralized, decentralized, or affiliated athlete? I'm selecting centralized for this video. Now click on this confirmation box that all the information which you are providing is accurate and correct. Enter your signature, enter your first name, Scooby, let's say do, and click on the submit button to submit your application. Once your application is submitted, you will only receive the notification if they accepted your application. You will be notified through your email address once your application is accepted. This is how you fill the Ontario NextGen Development Program. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good one.